The Lenze i510 is a device. It is called an inverter drive. It controls motors. Motors turn things. This makes work easier. The i510 is like the brain. It tells the motor how to move. It can make it go fast. It can make it go slow. This helps machines work better. The i510 saves energy. It makes motors last longer. It is used in many places. Factories use it. Buildings use it. Many machines use it. An inverter drive is important. It changes electricity, it changes AC to DC, then it changes DC back to AC. This is complex but useful. AC is alternating current. It is the electricity in our homes. DC is direct current. Batteries use DC. Motors need AC to run. The inverter drive controls the AC. It changes how fast the motor turns. This is called speed control. It is very helpful. The Lenze i510 has many features. It is easy to use. It has a clear display. This shows information. It helps with setup. The i510 is easy to install. It mounts on a DIN rail. This is a standard in control panels. It connects to the motor and power. The i510 has safety features. It protects the motor. It also protects the machine. This is important for safe operation. Sometimes problems happen. The i510 has error codes. These codes tell us what is wrong. The manual explains the codes. This helps fix problems. The Lenze i510 is a good choice. It saves energy and money. It makes machines run better. It is reliable and easy to use. The i510 is a valuable tool. It helps us control motors. It improves efficiency in many applications. It is a good investment for businesses.